we're in left and we found a leftover here on finish line. "6:50 p.m. Yep, and we got lucky. We got lucky that we dropped by on finish line. It's a leftover. And we got the fourth leftover there. It's my size. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. On this channel we talk about lifestyle, sneaker related stuff. And today is small pickup day of the Jordan 4 UNC. And it's gonna be a lot of confirmation, a lot of needs to be picked up from men's grade school, even preschool and toddlers. So, excited? Tara, samahan niyo ako. We're gonna pick up maybe 2 pairs on this mall. Let's go. Alright, so we got lucky that they have more stuff that we could find in the store. You got size 8 on this one?
That's the only one left. It's a 9.5.
9.5. So ayan, marami pa tayong pipick upin dito sa Kids Foot Locker at saka sa Champs. Tara.
May mga patinan.
Tapos yan, yung airpod tsaka
Di na yun. Pagsasawa na first time ko lang umexit. At kasano nga.
cut. So alright, it was very productive today with the pickups and more pickups with the Jordan 4 Retro UNC. So about 10 pairs of men's from size 9 all the way to size 11, and then I'll pick up 4 pairs of grade school from size 5.5 and 6. 4 pairs of preschool, there you go, from size 11 to 12C. Let's pop this open. Boom. Ooh, nice color, huh? Some people may complain because of the suede, but hey, it depends on the one who used them. It was really nice, very nice, very cool with that color of suede blue, or they should call it baby blue. And 4 months since I just started 4 months ago, since I just started the small pickups. All I'm buying are stuff from mall, including this newly releases. If you've seen my blog, it used to be like more on Nike factory, Nike outlet, Adidas outlet, some Marshall, Ross, TJ Maxx. That's all what I've been doing, and I haven't been in this game for since I started the sneaker game. And there you go. You just need to put on your work, 4 months, and there's the hard work. I need to point out, go in this platform if you want trying to do this route with the sneaker game, with mall pickups. Please, you have to do one account only on Foot Locker, Foot Action, Kids Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action. Oh, did I say it right? Okay, so you have to have one account per person. Now, cause might gonna be a trouble along the way. Seen already this one on the YouTube. Some already got banned or deactivated their account. I think that is 20 million. And I just started this one. I got 1.9 million. Okay, so I'm lucky enough in my area. Don't have to be like 24 million or 20 million to pick up some of this. This is how I do it, to me, more legally, and not like to be step off the boundaries. I got the family with me, my daughter, my mom, my dad, my sister, my nephew. So that is 6 accounts. That is legit 6 accounts. So that means even though we're winning, it's not gonna be flagged by the corporate because it is one account, one name. So that's not gonna be a problem. But the only thing is there is only 3 accounts that been winning on this one from the Foot Action, Foot Locker, and Champs. I got 1.9. My daughter got 1.6, and my dad got 1300. That is the size 9. Got the size 9. The rest I pick up from Finish Line, and there is also a trick from Finish Line. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna tell you, share you what I've been doing on the Finish Line. That's it for today's mall pickup on mostly University Force Air Jordan 1 Force University in Blue. Whew. That was a great day today. Whew. Alright, so what do you think on this vlog today on mall pickups? If you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo.